Oh, he's mad.
If you have to cancel, I believe there is a small cancellation fee, change fee, so you can change your plans, but you do have to pay in full when you reserve. You'll be referring to the Reserve American system, which is a great system that covers all of the Florida state parks.
Let me go. Don't get so angry with me. Don't get so angry with me. Only picking that in the side, I'm telling you.
He wants to attack.
Master to bite. God, what am I supposed to do?
After the hurricane. Curry Hammond State Park has so many things to offer. They've got rentals for kayaks and canoes.
Whoa.
A lot of
Oh my gosh.
come out here to use the water and the wind that is plentiful out here. And you've got the
Oh my God.
Here, come over here.
God.
Come on.
and
I'm gonna cover up in this, that way you can get my sides.
you pack us lunch.
Could you scoot over for me and stop trying to bite my toes?
Perfectly themed for
Well, guys, Minko's been gone for
just couldn't wait.
a week. And I was outside earlier and I saw him eating dog food where I put dog food out for the dogs. So we let him in. He ate a bunch of dog food and he is mauling Micah. Look at him.
God, don't do that. Listen, Mako, do you hear that machine? Do not bite me. Listen to that.
Let him dive on your head like. No, don't scare him. Don't scare him with that. Let him get you. But we've been worried sick about him. I know I have. And we're glad he's okay. He's glad to be home.
No, listen to that sound. Don't attack me, please.
He's just a wild coon that has been saved. And, you know, and he's going to repay everybody back with a bite. You know. Oh, it makes you mad. Lean your head up against the couch, let him get it. Y'all guys have a good one.